Hey guys, today me try understand how oil prices are set and me already feel brain melt. This morning, me walk to big shiny gas cave, me ride beast run out of juice. So me try put stone in the magic pump to trade for more black juice. Pump scream, man behind glass yell, price just went up again. Caveman say, why, did Mammoth stomp pipeline? He say, OPEC cut production. Me say, oh what peck, then brain explode. Then me hear scary thing. If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit. No fire, no ride beast, no woman, no coconut. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. First time Caveman see oil, him think, whoa, ground leaking shadow blood. Me was digging hole to bury leftover turkey leg when sticky black goo bubble up, me panic, thought me poke ancient sky demon. But neighbor with skybox say no silly caveman that oil, make cars go vroom, so me bottle some. Big idea, sell to neighbor tribe. Me stand near road with sign, magic juice, 2 rocks per bottle. First moon, people give many rocks. Second moon, they give less. By third moon, they laugh and throw shellfish. Why, caveman no understand, goo same, bottle same, tribe same, but price change like weather. Then smart man with tie tell caveman, that's the market, bro. Caveman say, me no bro, but this feel like sorcery. Turns out, oil price not about how good oil is, it about how much tribe want and how much tribe think will exist tomorrow. If world think oil will vanish, price go up. If they think oil will flood like angry river, price go down, even if nothing change yet. So cavemen learn oil price like cave gossip, not what people feel. Cavemen soon realize modern tribe worship oil more than sun god, goat god, or Beyonce. Oil no just juice. Oil make everything go. It make ride beasts move, make skybirds fly, make light flicker in boxes. One time caveman unplug wife's blow-dry dragon, whole cave turn war zone. She scream no oil, no smooth hair. Caveman sleep outside for 3 nights. But one moon something happened, desert tribe whisper bad thing, OPEC maybe cut supply, and like that poof, gas price jump like squirrel on fire. Whole tribe go mad, man in suit scream on glowing box, $100 a barrel, caveman confused. Who is barrel? Why he so expensive? Caveman try find him, end up buying wine barrel from vineyard. Lady at market cry, it costs more to drive to work than work pay me. One uncle sell family goat to fill up car. Even big chief of country say we must protect oil, it national security. Cavemen think, wait, why tribe need protect juice from who? Juice bandits? Then me see war, real war, all for black goo. That when cavemen realize, oil not just energy, oil is power, control, fear, hope. Without it, whole tribe fall into dark. And so, the obsession begin. Cavemen want to learn secret of oil gods, so me sneak into shiny desert tent where leaders of OPEC meet. Me think it stand for Old Powerful Elders of Caves, but no, it Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Many words, much confusion. Inside tent, many men wear long white robes and speak in sand language. They no use drums or fire signals, just whisper, and price of oil go boom. Cavemen try to join, me bring offering, 1 squirrel, alive, very fast. Me say caveman here to help set price, squirrel say oil too high. Everyone stare, then one man stand up, very powerful, beard long like river. He say, who let this goat into meeting? Guards chase caveman out, squirrel escape. Meeting stop for hour. Next day, news say OPEC cut production, tribe panic, oil price jump, cavemen blamed, now me banned from desert. But caveman learned big truth. OPEC like oil faucet. They no dig oil, they control how much flow. If they tighten tap, less oil, higher price. If they open tap, more oil, lower price. OPEC say they do this to stabilize market. Cavemen think that mean make sure we stay rich. Sometimes they fight. One tribe want high price, another want sell more. When OPEC fight, oil price go wild like mammoth in thunderstorm. So now Caveman understand, price not just about digging, it about who get to decide when to dig. After desert tent disaster, Caveman sulk at fire pit. Then wise elder trader sit beside me named Gregor. He wear hat made of newspaper and smell like roasted beans. He say, you confused because you no understand law of supply and demand. Caveman say, law? Like tribe law, no pooping near waterhole? Gregor laugh like broken drum. No, this law older than tribe, older than mammoth at rule of trading. He pick up goat bladder. If many goat bladders for sale and nobody thirsty, price fall, you beg tribe to take bladder. Then he pick second one. But if one bladder left and tribe very thirsty, price go boom. You sell for 10 goats and a wife. Caveman eyes open wide. This explain many moons of strange trade, Gregor nod. Same for oil. If too much oil, price fall. If not enough, price rise. Simple, but tricky because supply always change. Caveman ask, who changed supply? Gregor say, oak, war, broken pipes, weather storms, big ship stuck in canal. One time, man with big tweet make price move. Caveman stunned. One man speak, world pay more? Gregor nod. Because fear change demand, panic is price fuel. Caveman scribble in dirt, more oil, less price, less oil, more price, more fear, big mess. Now Caveman finally understand why juice price dance like drunk lizard. Still confused? Yes, but slightly smarter. Caveman try to forget OPEC, but OPEC not forget Caveman. Every moon cycle, tribe of oil robes gather again. They sit in golden chairs, sip date juice, and say magic words like production quota and strategic reserve. Cavemen not invited, but me hide in camel costume. From sand corner, cavemen learn real power. OPEC no dig oil with hands. They just agree how much oil each tribe allowed to dig. That's it. If they agree to dig less, price rise. If they dig more, price fall. Cavemen think, wow, OPEC control price with invisible shovel. But Elder Gregor whisper, they say they work together, but sometimes one tribe lie. Cavemen gasp, oil betrayal? Gregor nod, yes, one tribe say they dig less, but they dig more at night. Sell secretly, make more shiny rocks. Others get mad, trust break, price wobble. So cavemen learn, OPEC try control oil like chief try control dancing at tribe feast. Some follow, some sneak extra wiggle. Also, not all big oil diggers part of OPEC. Tribe called USA dig oil like crazy, but say no thanks desert men, we do freestyle. Now whole world one big oil dance floor, OPEC control rhythm, but others make surprise moves. And when oil tribes fight or cheat or fear shortage, price go wild like stampede of flaming camels. Moral of story, power no come from oil, it come from who turn tap and who obeys. Just when caveman think oil price makes sense, tribe introduce new madness, oil futures. Cavemen say, is this scroll from tomorrow? Bankman invest laugh. Sort of. Futures is time travel gambling, but for adults with spreadsheets. Caveman already dizzy, he explained. People no just buy oil for today. They also bet on price next moon or 10 moons from now. Caveman say, but oil not even dug yet. Bankman sip leaf water. Exactly. You bet on oil that not exist. If you guess right, you rich. If you wrong, you cry. Cavemen call it imaginary barrel business. Even more weird, many tribe members who trade oil never touch oil. They no dig, no deliver, no sniff. Just buy paper that say, I promise oil in future, then sell to someone else before oil even shipped. It all numbers, all feelings, all vibes. One time, caveman see futures price go negative. Oil traders pay people to take oil away. Caveman shout that like paying tribe to eat your mammoth. Gregor nods, because storage full, no one want it, but contract still active, so price go below zero. Now caveman truly afraid. Oil price not just about goo, it about emotion, guesswork, invisible paper, and storage space. Whole world run by future promises, fear of missing out, and sweaty men yelling buy, sell. So caveman write on wall, oil price, current supply, future guess, global panic level, and cry softly into coconut. After moons of madness, cavemen sit by river, watch oil float by, and reflect. At first, cavemen think oil price only about black goo, but no. Cavemen now see, price no rise because of goo, it rise because of tribe's heart. One whisper from desert, one storm near ocean, one tweet from orange man with bird logo, one wrong guess on glowing box, and price go boom. Cavemen remember, in old tribe, fire not burn just because wood exist, fire needs spark, same with oil. Price not move just because oil in ground, it move because something like fear, greed, or hope. It's deep truth, oil price not math, it emotion in disguise. Also, caveman notice, when tribe feel secure, price calm, when tribe feel panic, price spike, when tribe greedy, price bubble, when tribe cheat, price wobble. Oil price is mirror, not of earth, but of human soul. Cavemen see child cry because school bus no come, gas too high. Cavemen see father lose job because oil too cheap, boss close rig. Cavemen see war start over pipeline route, all over liquid rock. So caveman wisdom say, black juice powerful, but not more powerful than what tribe believe about it. Fire no burn until spark come, oil no explode world until tribe emotions catch flame. After all this, caveman decide, me make own oil, no need desert robes, paper contracts, or shouting banker man. So me gather coconuts, many, smash with rock, add old fish bones, bury under sun, wait, 10 moons later, not oil, just stink. Wife leave cave for 3 days, me fail. But now caveman not angry, because caveman finally understand oil price no just about goo. It about supply, demand, fear, future guessing, tribe politics, tap control, and emotional fire. Before, me blame gas caveman for high price. Now me blame global dance of invisible hands. So caveman no rich, but caveman not confused, that better. And now, when price go up, caveman no scream. Caveman nod slowly, squint into sunset, and whisper, OPEC probably sneeze again. Cavemen say final warning, if you no understand oil, your ride beast sleep forever, your fire cold, your wife yell, you trade last goat for Uber ride. So learn it, watch it, respect it, or become man who walk 10 miles in heat with no coconut juice. If this tale helps spark your brain fire or make you laugh while learning like wise monkey, smash big red scribe stick and throw thumbs at like button. Comment where your cave be. Tell caveman your gas price, or confess, have you tried make oil from coconut too? Next moon we maybe learn about stock market, or as caveman call it, confusing cave of gambling birds. Until then, stay curious, stay greasy, and avoid desert meetings. Ooga booga.